So here we're given this triangle in the coordinate plane and we're asked to find these quantities. A is the coordinates of point Q, and because PQ is perpendicular to the x-axis, the coordinates of Q would just be minus 2, 0. So coordinates of Q are minus 2, 0. And then we're asked to find the length of PQ. PQ would just be, because this line is parallel to the y-axis, this distance is just 6, the difference between the y coordinates. So PQ is 6, and then QR, again, is the difference between the x coordinates, which is 7. So QR is 7. And this is a right triangle, so I can apply the Pythagorean theorem, which means PR square is 6 square plus 7 square, which is 36 plus 49, 85, which means PR is square root of 85. And 85 is 17 times 5, so it can't really simplify it anymore, so we'll just leave it as square root of 85. C is asking for perimeter of triangle PQR, which means I just have to add the 3 lengths, 6 plus 7 plus root 85, which is 13 plus root 85, and this is as far as we can simplify it. D is asking for the area of this triangle, and I can consider QR as the base, so it would be half base times height. Height would be 6, so that becomes 2 goes into 6 3 times, so that's 21, and that's the area of this triangle. E is asking to find the slope, the y-intercept, and the equation of the line that passes through PR, so this line here. So the slope I can find because I know the coordinates of point P and R. That would be the difference of their y coordinates, 6 minus 0, over minus 2 minus 5, which is 6 over minus 7, which is same as minus 6/7. And the y-intercept is this point where the line intersects the y-axis. I'm going to call it B. And the standard form of the equation, the slope-intercept is y equal to mx plus b. We know that the slope is minus 6/7, and I need to find b. So I do know that the line passes through 5, 0, which is also the x-intercept, which means y is 0 when x is 5. So I can use this to solve for b. So b becomes, this is minus 30 over 7 when I add it to both sides. B becomes 30 over 7. So that's the y-intercept, meaning this point is 0, 30 over 7. And then finally, the equation of the line, I just replace these values back in the original equation as y equal to minus 6/7x plus 30 over 7. Or it could be written, if I multiply both sides by 7, 7y equal to minus 6x plus 30. Or it could be written in that form. So all of these are equivalent. You would either see it that form or in that form.